We are out doing some maintenance today, and this customer wanted new Calgon iWave installed in this furnace, and we got another furnace downstairs that I already did. These things are real easy to install, and I don't have too much experience with them because this is what the customer wanted. I'm not sure why they wanted it, what research they did on it, so on. But we are going to install it today. I did install, like I said, I did install the one downstairs. And it seemed like when it started up, you could actually smell it. Smell the, I think it's an ionizer, if I'm correct. Don't have too much, like I said, don't have too much experience with it, but we're going to install it and I'll show you how. It's not that hard. So, let me get you on the tripod here. Very limited room. There's the blower right there. And this is how it comes in the package. Let me take the top off. It's nicely packaged. Instructions. What else we got here? Oh, we got a little sticker saying it's installed. And warranty registration. So as we take this out of here, so airflow direction, and this thing has 3 mounting options. We can drill holes in the ductwork, mount it like so. It's got magnets in the back, which you still want to screw it onto the housing. And I think we just, another thing is we can just lay it down on the inside of the furnace. But I think we're going to be mounting it to the blower housing, like so, like that. So we'll throw, see how we got it mounted on the blower housing, and we'll throw 1 screw in it. It is magnetic. It is magnetic, so you could just leave the magnet on there, or just throw it on the blower housing and go, or screw it on, which I'm going to screw it on. Try to get you set up here the best I can because I have very limited room. They also provide you with screws, which are Phillips screws I'm not using, and an extra fuse. So we'll just keep that, keep the box, keep it in the box. So I am just going to take a self-tapper and throw 1 screw in it. There we go. And in the directions, it says continuous power. Not cycle with the fan, it says continuous power. So it doesn't matter if the fan's on or off. That's what it says right in the instructions. So I got a black wire, red wire, so all we're going to do is somehow tie it into a common and the red. So I think I'm actually going to, geez, we got a ton of wires under those commons, but I think we can still fit it in there. So black to common. And the red to your constant power. Constant power, that's what it says right in the manual. So we'll take constant power off our R terminal. Tighten her up. Need a few zip ties. Tie the wires up. There we go. And that's it for the installation. When you start this thing up, apply power to it. You got a green light. So she's working. And you definitely could smell it. I could smell, as soon as I started that thing up, I could smell it. Got those, you don't want to touch those. A lot of power there, it's like electronic air cleaner almost. But it's on 24 volts. I'm not sure if you can get, not sure if you can get a 110 volt one. Not sure. Like I said, customer, this is what the customer wanted, so we're installing it for him. Best thing to do with any air cleaner is to keep the fan on continuous. This is a variable speed furnace, so when you turn the fan on, it goes to an ultra high efficiency low. So that's it for installing an iWave, I think. Yeah, iWave-V. But definitely when you turn it on, you can definitely smell that air cleaner, which is good. You can smell the ionization, you know it's working. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one.